Gold dominates throughout the Forbidden City. This is the Emperor's color. It covers the roof and 6 central columns of the Hall of Supreme Harmony, and adorns the ceiling tiles in the palaces, halls, and entrances, such as the Gate of Heavenly Purity, which leads to Yongler's residence. Darbing is a master craftsman from the Department of Restoration Skills at the Forbidden City.
就是咱们要修复这天花，这天花坏的比较多了，修第3块天花，像那种取下来以后，咱们就咱就恢复。行，那咱们走吧，回去准备下一个地方。
The Forbidden City has thousands of these gold leaf tiles, but the gold has faded or eroded. Restoration is a delicate process. Each tile takes 2 weeks. A piece of paper and black chalk is used to copy the intricate tile pattern.
这是行了，这就行了，这一步就完了。
It's essential the design is exactly the same as the original. This 5-clawed dragon signifies the Emperor, reserved only for him.
有2个是冲前的，有2个冲后的，一个是露，爪子背有露背边的，有露是爪子心儿的。
Once the tile has been copied and painted, it's ready to be brushed with the precious gold leaf. Pure gold is melted and mixed with bronze that adds a red sheen. The alloy is still 98% pure gold. Today, machines press it and press it. In Ming times, 2 men would hammer it until it is as thin as 1/500th the diameter of a hair. It's cut up and carefully placed between sheets of bamboo paper. The Forbidden City's restoration needs over 10 million pieces. After days of work, the master craftsman is ready to apply the gold leaf.
完了要给它轻轻的一按，有没贴到的这儿给它揉一下，从下往上。
Finally, it's impressive enough for the Emperor himself.